Adding a dedicated pet wash station during new home construction saves time and keeps the rest of the house cleaner. Plan the layout so the tiled wash area sits near plumbing stacks and utility space to minimize rough-in costs. And choose a handheld sprayer with a pressure regulator to accommodate nervous animals and delicate coats. Build an elevated platform at a comfortable height for typical users to reduce back strain, using a removable ramp or step for larger pets and a built-in lip to contain splashes. Install a properly sized floor drain tied to the home drain system and slope the floor at least 1/4 inch per foot toward the drain to prevent standing water. Use a full waterproof wall surround up to the height where splashing stops, sealed with a compatible, flexible sealant at all joints to avoid leaks. Select non-slip tile or textured poured surface rated for wet areas and match grout and sealers to resist mold and pet hair buildup. Plan adjacent storage cabinetry size for towels, shampoos, brushes, and drying tools with ventilated doors or open shelving for faster drying and easy access. Common mistakes include placing the station too far from existing plumbing, which increases cost and delays, so position it adjacent to laundry or bathroom stacks to save time and materials. Another issue is choosing a low mounting height that forces owners to stoop. Mitigate this by measuring typical user height and installing the elevated platform accordingly, or adding a working counter height rim. A third frequent problem is inadequate waterproofing and drainage, which leads to mold and water damage, so always use a continuous waterproof membrane under tile, proper slope to the drain, and test the drain during rough plumbing to confirm flow. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around project needs like pet wash stations, helping us find local pros and letting contractors discover work opportunities. We also host a discussion community where users share design ideas, product experiences, and practical build tips.